Yesterday, I was on the phone with an office that we've been working with for a while, but they got a brand new sleep coordinator. And what was really interesting about our conversation is that she went back through and reached out to people that have had consultations generated through their marketing efforts, and she was able to convert many of them into treatment. Now, why is it that one sleep coordinator is saying the lead quality is poor, and with the same exact identical leads that first sleep coordinator was dealing with, the second is converting them into treatment? The tendency for an office when they're investing in marketing, when things aren't working, it's a human tendency. We don't want to look inward and see what we can do better. We want to look outward and cast blame. You're going to be so much more successful in dental sleep medicine if you can stop blaming others, whether it's your marketing company, whether it's your coordinator, whether it's your hygienist or your front office because they're unwelcoming. Stop casting blame and take a leadership role in your business and start looking for solutions. And the solution that you can look for to poor quality leads, like this one sleep coordinator did, is communication. And we have plenty of resources on communication that you can watch on our social media channels. Take advantage of that and start looking inward and making those changes so you can get more people into treatment.